So I am excited to share with you the Sparkle of the Season class kit. Now this class kit is available August 16th, which is today, through the 31st. That's a couple weeks for you to make your $40 retail purchase using my current host code. And my current host code can be found on my website, www.carolbcrafts.com. But I'll also put it on the screen here, and there'll be a link in the description of the YouTube video where you can it will pre-fill the host code for you. So $40 retail before shipping and tax gets you the kit to make these 4 projects. And this is what the kit looks like. Everything is cut for you, except for the things that you cut with your dies. And I have 4 different projects. Now the Sparkle of the Season stamps is kind of a multi-holiday. It's Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas. And it's photopolymer. You can see I've used them. You can see I've been using the red ink. And the thing that sold me on this was the dies, because these wreath dies, I've seen a lot of awesome projects online made with these dies. They have a little pumpkin, a little witch's broom, leaves, a little bat, berries. So very versatile, a very nice set. And this is my Halloween card here. It says, "Happy Halloween. You're so sweet, it's scary." I think that's such a cute little saying for Halloween. Sometimes Halloween can get a little gory, but I think that Stampin' Up! Does a good job keeping it real. So this is grateful. This is our Thanksgiving card. Thankful for you. And then there's a little pumpkin down there. So that's a darling little card. Not too hard to make either. Then the other project that I made, this is the 3rd project, Merry Christmas. May the sparkle of the season warm your heart and home. And I think that's darling. And then lastly is project number 4, which is a wreath and holly leaves. It says, "Merry Christmas. May the sparkle of the season warm your heart and home." And these are pretty, I try to stay close to the items that are included in the bundle, but you can go online and you can see all kinds of awesome projects that are made with this bundle. Now the inks that you'll need, not very many. You'll need your Memento Tuxedo Black for your Halloween. I'm sure you have that if you're an avid stamper. Early Espresso, which is another go-to darker color. It's for the grateful, but you could use your Memento or another color. Now for this card I used Real Red, which you probably have. If you've been to my classes, I know you have it. And then with this card I used Poppy Parade because the berries were a little bit brighter. But you could use Poppy Parade for either one of these, or you could use Real Red for either one of those if you don't want to invest in the one that you don't have. But I like to kind of, do the matchy thing. So these are the cards that the kits you'll make these cards, and on our Facebook group, our VIP Facebook group, will have 4 workshop nights, Tuesdays and Thursdays, and then I'll record it and post the video on YouTube for each project as well. So those that don't have a Facebook group or aren't in the Facebook group or don't have Facebook accounts they can make the cards with the YouTube video. Okay, so this is good through August 31st. And you can check out my website, www.carolbcrafts.com, to get the details. All right, thanks everyone.